Chill Hippie. A lot of y'all hippies, y'all don't even know it. This one smells really good. This is, yeah, it's giving me earth. It's giving me earth. It's giving me like outside, really good time. Really good time outside.
I don't really like the smell of this one. It smells like an incense, like if you were to burn it through the wall.
I like these. I like the smell of incense.
It smells like something like outside, like it smells like pine cones or something. I don't know, like you don't stink though. It just smells like some fall stuff.
It's a vibe. I like this one. I like it. It's definitely giving incense of some sort. I do like this one.
All the hippies I know musty.
So, it's not musty.
No, it's not musty though. It smells good.
It's a good hippie.
It's chill. You know what I'm saying?
I'm not a fan of chill hippie. It smell like not a shoe, but it smell like when you walk in the shoe store a little bit.
Okay. It's clean. Smooth.
Now this, it smells like somebody. Like it could be somebody. Like not necessarily a fragrance, but like somebody's natural scent.
This definitely smells like incense, but it's very like, it's not strong. It's light, it's light.
I like it. It smells like incense. Smells good.
Smell like some incense. Smell like Erica Badu house.